Hey everyone, Brittany back with another tip or hack in the Practice Better platform. Today I'm sharing with you a creative way to organize your forms thanks to our Inner Circle community member, Jay Shockley. Thank you, Jay, for sharing this creative idea. If you find that you are getting quite a long list of forms and you'd like a way to organize them, let's run through the steps of how you can do this together. From my practice, I'm going to go down to Forms and Waivers. And right away, you can see that I have these little file emojis with a category name here. So what Jay shared with us is a way to make a form that you're not actually going to send out to clients. It's more of a way of acting as a header or a section title so you can organize the corresponding forms below that. So you can see here as I scroll through. So let's actually run through the steps of doing this together. The first thing, if you'd like to include this emoji, all you need to do is head over to Google, search file emoji, and that first link there is going to take you to a place where you can actually copy this. So right click and copy if you're on a MacBook, Command C or Control C if you're on a Windows, and then we've got that. So using the red fast action button, we're going to create a form. And let's title this. So we'll put in that file emoji and let's actually do one for feedback forms. So I want a section for all of the different forms I send out at the end of packages and programs to collect feedback. So I put in the file emoji, given it a title. All I need to do is add one element in order to save this mock form. So I'm going to add in the personal info, save that there. No one's actually going to be filling that out, so no worries which you choose. And now I'm going to click and drag to change the order. So let's click change order. And I'm going to take this down. Okay, so let's put that right there. So now you can see underneath this section here of feedback forms, I have my online group program survey and my feedback survey. So these are two forms that fall into this feedback form category that I'm sending out at the end of a program or the end of a package or session with a client to get their final kind of thoughts and feedback. You can see that I've also created ones for my program forms, intake and new client forms, and my check-in forms. So now everything is nice and organized. I don't have to sift through my big long list of forms when I'm looking for a particular form to send off to a client. So that's as simple as it is, a kind of creative way to organize your growing list of forms. So thank you again, Jay, for sharing that creative idea with us. I'd love to hear in the comments if you guys are going to try this out, what you think, and if you guys are using any kind of creative workarounds in the platform, share them below. They might help somebody else out.